Hey guys, want to see how I went from looking like this to now looking like this? Stay tuned for your first tutorial ever with Destiny's For Natural. Yes. I'm just starting off on freshly washed hair, so I'm just messing with it a little bit just so you guys can see my definition already from just the first washout. I'm going to use my first favorite leave-in conditioner, Bella Curl leave-in conditioner, of course. And I'm going to section my hair off into 3 parts.
That's good.
Normally I do the front by itself, so bear with me while I work through these tangles. I'm going to clip it back. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my little clip and clip it on in there. I'm going to separate the back part into 2 separate parts. Normally I do about 6 to 7 twists in the back of my head. So I'll just section that part off so I can work with one side at a time. Alright, so first what we're going to do is we're going to take some of my leave-in conditioner. You guys, I really love this conditioner. This is about the only leave-in I use. It brings so much definition just by using it. You only got to use a drop, and I'm going to rub that through that whole section a couple of times. Don't mind me smiling in the background. My husband's in the background asking me silly stuff. Praying hands method to make sure I even it out. See what I mean by that definition? It's crazy. A little bit of Africa's best coconut oil, and I rub that on in there. Speed through this process just a little bit. And Bella Curl's curling cream. This holds the moisture in after you use the leave-in in the oil. So now I'm just gonna start by sectioning that section off. Probably gonna do about 3 twists on this side. So once I go ahead and section that off, I'll pin the rest up. I'm struggling with that pin, y'all. The struggle was real. See what I mean? Struggle. I'm just gonna take these 2, and I'm gonna finger detail it. And I'm gonna go through, rub some cream through, and then I'm gonna end up using my denim brush for the ends of my hair. Now I'm gonna take 2 sections, and I'm just gonna twist them over each other. I'm going to repeat this process all the way down to the bottom. And then I'm going to finger coil right here. And that's just to seal in the moisture at the ends of my hair, to give my ends some definition. And I will repeat this process all throughout the back of my head. I'm going to turn to the back just so you guys can see a little bit of what I'm doing.
That's good.
So now I take my brush to comb through the ends of my hair, just in case, make sure I have it nice and smooth.
This is official.
Like a crazy stalker, man. Now we're at the front of my hair. Yes, now the front of my hair tends to be a little bit more drier than the back. I like it that way because then I can get more definition in the front of my head. So I would just split this in 2 sections, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my leave-in conditioner here. Now rub that through, and I'll repeat the same process. Right now I'm just finger detangling through my hair. Now we're going to start off with my flat twist. praying hands method. And because it is a little drier, I will be using a little bit more of my curling cream on here. Again, the denim brush. A little bit more cream. Rub it on through. And now I'm going to begin my flat twist. I will take 2 pieces of hair just like in the back. Except for now, I'm going to be grabbing piece by piece as I twist. So I'll twist and grab a piece of hair. I'll twist again and grab a piece of hair. This way it allows it to start sticking to my head as if it was a French braid. So I'm just twisting and grabbing pieces of hair. Here goes another one, and I'll just continue on down until I get to the bottom. You want to make sure you do these nice and tight. You don't want loose, or else it will not work. Probably get a hot mess of a frizz. Alright, so again, just going a little speed through here. I'm gonna have about 5 to 6 flat twists in the front of my hair. And ending results, guys, look how my hair moves. That curl cream does not like weigh your hair down. It is awesome. But as you can see, 6 to 7 twists in the back. And it looks like I got about 5 flat twists in the front. And I will see you guys in the morning. Alright, I'm back and I got my cup of coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Adding some oil to my hair before I take my twist out. It's just to help minimize frizz. I'm gonna start from the back of my head and work my way up. So with the first twist, normally I just pull at it, unravel, and then I'll do my second one. And as I continue on, I will not, I'll pull at them to separate them, but I won't forcibly separate them. So if you just watch how I just see, and let them separate naturally on their own. As you can see, that cream Bella Curl does work. Look at that definition I have in that movement on my hair. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. And I'll continue on this process through the back of my head, and then just keep on pulling them apart to make sure that I get as much definition as I want. That was my son in the background, you guys. Sorry. So I'll continue on through each strand of hair, and I'll just rub my fingers through them, gently pulling them apart. You can see all that definition I have in there. This is awesome. Now with my flat twist, I will unravel like a regular twist, but when I get to the top, it's not really much separating you're gonna have to do, because your flat twist from the piece by piece that you put together will automatically separate on its own. I like doing flat twists in the front because it brings so much definition in the front of your hair. So I will continue this process on throughout my head. See how I don't even have to really separate? They automatically separate on their own. So now that we've got it all done, I'm gonna make sure I have them all separated here. Look at that definition. That is awesome. That is amazing. And it's so much movement in there. It's not stiff at all. Just getting the style I'm thinking of right now. I'm gonna reach after I drink my sip of coffee. Gotta have coffee in the morning. I'm gonna bring out my big nice pink comb. I'm just gonna pull at the back a little bit, pull at my roots to make my hair big. And continue to do this all over until I get the height that I want, separating some of those extra tight curls that are in there. I have my pick. This works for more picking out your roots here to make it bigger. As you can see, I am loving this definition I have right now in my hair. And it's so loose, and my hair is so soft, you guys. It's amazing. Just gonna pull pieces of them apart a little bit more just to get the style I'm going for. Pulling some apart in the front to make my curls look come through. This is the finishing product. This is Destiny, and thank you for watching my first tutorial ever. Please remember to like and subscribe for a natural.